User instructions. Product overview. Operation instructions. Press the power button to turn on the machine. The running indicator lights up and the default fan speed is high. During operation, press the power button again to shut off the unit. Press the mode button to switch between auto and continuously dehumidify mode. Press once to switch the mode from one to another. The corresponding indicator will light up. Press the mode button for 3 seconds to turn on the sleep mode. The corresponding indicator will light up. To cancel this mode, press the mode button again for 3 seconds. Press the humidity button to set humidity. Press once to add 5% humidity value. The highest value is 80%. The lowest is 30%. Press the timer button to set the time. Then use the humidity button to add 1 hour per press within a 1 to 24-hour cycle. Once set, the timer indicator will be on. Press the speed button to switch the fan speed between high and low cycle, and the corresponding indicator light will be on. Press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds to activate the child lock function. The indicator light will be on, and you cannot operate other buttons. Press and hold this button for 3 seconds again to cancel this function. The indicator light will be off. In standby mode, press and hold the fan speed button for 3 seconds to turn on the independent purification function. Maintenance. When the water tank is full, the unit will make a buzzing sound, and the water full light will turn on. Pull on the water tank and simply slide out of the body of the dehumidifier. Empty the water tank and slide it back on. Note: please turn off the unit when you empty the tank. Take the water tank from the body and then pull out the filter from the bottom of the back panel. Once cleaned, simply put it back to its original position. You can also choose continuous draining. Simply insert the water pipe into the unit.